Hello, my beautiful friends. It's been a while since I've made a longer YouTube video, and I'm trying to do more teachings online on my TikTok Live, and then also posting more on my YouTube of teachings and different online workshops, classes, groups, whatever you want to call them, in a nice, free, and accessible way for you all. So I am working on putting that together. I also wanted to make this video as just like an update for some stuff going on my website too. My website is a free online wellness space, twomoonspdx.com. There are thousands of free shadow work prompts. There are shadow work workshops that are online workshops that you can do. There are inner child workshops, mindfulness workshops, stress management. On the library page, there are tips for emotional regulation, honoring yourself during the different moon cycles for new moon and full moon. I have an herb list of different herbs that you can use for your simmer pots, for your herbal baths, for your healing. And all of that is free on my website. I'm also launching an app. Right now, the app is through Spaces, which is through Wix. And on the app, I've been posting daily morsels of wellness and mindfulness. And if you are local to the Portland, Vancouver area, we're trying to get a hike together. There's weekly meditations in Vancouver, Washington. I'm working on adding those online as well, so you can join us online, which hopefully should be good for next week, this coming Wednesday. So there's lots of stuff and ways to connect with yourself and connect with other people who are also on the path of mindful awareness. My goal in creating this space is to give people a way to reconnect with themselves in an accessible way. I've found that so many of self-help modalities, of these things to help yourself, are really expensive. They're inaccessible. And so my goal is to make it as accessible as possible. A lot of the work that I do for donation-based or sliding scale costs. And part of that is so that I can have the free online wellness space, something that is accessible to anyone who needs it. Those are some of the updates for 2 moons. Also, I'm planning our yearly women's retreat, which is going to happen in September of this year. And I've been posting updates about that on my website as well. So go check that out. And today I will leave you with a reading from The Tao of Joy Every Day by Derek Lin. This is one of my favorite books of all time. This is one that I read every day just to give myself a mindful morsel to think about and ruminate on for the day. Anyway, this is one of my favorites. This is day 148, The Stream. As the water in a mountain stream flows, it encounters rocks and stones of different shapes and sizes. The water does not engage in arguments with these obstacles. It does not make angry demands that they move out of its way. It does not try to break them up so it can pass. The water simply flows past the rocks and stones. It may flow to the left or to the right. It may flow over or under. Water naturally and automatically chooses the easiest and most direct way around any obstacle. As water moves past the rocks and stones with minimal effort, it softly sings to itself. There is a sense of serenity and joy in the process, and anyone who comes close to the stream can hear its song and feel it. The Tao today. Visualize yourself as the stream. You encounter numerous problems as you move through life. They come in all shapes and sizes. Some are difficult and some are trivial. Emulate the stream. There is no need to engage in arguments and make angry demands or lash out. You simply flow past problems. Follow your observation and intuition to find the most natural path around each obstacle and move gracefully with minimal effort. Have a good day.